Welcome back, WebBridge family. It's so good to have you back in the building, and I'm sure you're excited for this year. And let's take a look at our Webway rewards and some very minor changes, hopefully to make rewarding a lot easier for you this year. All right, so first up is our Webway referral. This was formerly known as the Positive Praise Referral, and it was a form that you would pick up from the mail room and fill out and turn into your admin. However, we've changed that and we've gone ahead and made it an easily accessible link for you. What the Webway referral is for students who are consistently exhibiting those behaviors that reflect our value words. And just a reminder, our value words, we have citizenship, integrity, positivity, perseverance, responsibility. So those are the things that we want to go ahead and make sure that we're looking out for those students that they're on point, they're exemplifying those behaviors all the time. So you can see here in the look fors, those are some ideas of what you're looking for in that behavior. And we want to do that to encourage those positive experiences with admin. We want being sent to the the front office to be a good thing, not a bad thing. So what we have here, instead of the form, we made it digital for you to make it a little bit easier. So you might want to pause the video and bookmark this link now, or you can wait till the end or check out an email coming your way, which will have the links easy for you to click on. What happens after a student gets the referral? Well, the parents will be called by the assistant principal with the student there to praise on them and love on them, and the student will get a picture with their certificate displayed in the hall. And who can forget Webway Class of the Week? However, this year, staff and students can nominate their class for showing those behaviors for our value words there. So for the staff, there is your link that you might want to bookmark. Again, it will be at the end of the presentation or in your email. And this is, the students will be able to nominate their class as well, but there will be a QR code with posters throughout the building, so they can do that at any time as well. So once again, it's about a collective whole, that your class is really exemplifying these value words, and there are some things that you could look for in your classroom setting to be able to nominate your class. In your blue folder, you will have these two QR codes, so if scanning really quickly on your phone instead of trying to find the link, again, make sure to bookmark them. Makes it very easy to just quickly go and fill that out at the end of the day or during a grading period or anything like that. But you'll have this so you can just quickly scan and fill out your referral or class of the week. Now, don't forget our wonderful Webway cards. We were doing them digitally last year, but we're back and we have ordered a ton of them for you to hand out and recognize students. So we want to recognize students who are exhibiting Webway values. It can be something right there in that instant that they did something awesome, amazing, positive, something where they showed perseverance, any little thing, hand them that card as a way to say, I recognize you and I see you. So we want to celebrate students making good choices that align with our values. Now, we'd love it if all staff could hand out at least 5 cards each week. If you can go more and above and beyond, that would be awesome. Don't forget to circle why they're receiving the card and maybe just a brief explanation if you don't have time to hand it to them right away and tell them verbally. You can always write the note to them. Students like to hold on to them just as much as staff do when we get our reverse Webway cards. So giving them that message is great. I highly recommend, as soon as you get your cards, go ahead and put your staff name on them in pen right away so you are ready to rock and roll at the beginning of the school year. Now, why do we want to hand out the Webway cards? Well, besides just celebrating our students, there's a little incentive in it for you and the students too. Now, when students get their cards, they're going to go to the front office, and there's mailboxes based off of grade levels there. So they place it in there, and every Wednesday there is a raffle drawing. This year we have some great prizes, and we have this amazing prize wheel, so students will spin the wheel to earn some great prizes. Now, if your student's ticket is chosen, you win too. Not only do we have some great teacher prizes like those awesome Flair pens, colorful Post-it notes, some gift cards, but we have moved the parking spot to the primo location of the hill. That's right, folks. If your card is chosen, you can earn a parking spot on the hill for easy in and out access to school. So make sure you are sharing those rewards. Now, we also are going to increase our reverse Webway card use for students this year. For those of you that might be new or have not had a chance to experience this, the reverse Webway card is where students will recognize staff members for exhibiting those behaviors. And we're going to do it once a month, so every month is going to have a theme that goes with it, and we will encourage students to pick a staff member based on that month's theme. So we want to give students an opportunity to recognize their teachers and show gratitude. They're going to fill it out the exact same way and hand it to the staff member that they've chosen. Again, same idea, same prizes. Teachers, you now have your own mailbox up front by the grade level boxes that you will put the teacher reverse Webway cards into. Again, great prizes as parking spot on the hill, flare pens, expo markers, Post-it notes, gift cards, you name it. Okay, we tried to listen to things that you wanted and how you would like to be rewarded. Now, let's not forget Webway winks. These are just great things to share and promote positivity and spread a little joy and smiles throughout the hallways. If you recognize somebody doing something awesome for you, or they just make your day, anything that just reflects some of our value words, send them a note, put it in their mailbox, tape it to their door, and just pass that positivity on. And let's make this a wonderful year back at school. So, a little bit of cleanup. This is some things that we'd like you to do now. Please, if you don't mind, go ahead and bookmark the following links. You should also have an email from Michelle, if not now, in the near future, where you can just click on these links and go ahead and bookmark them as a favorite on your web browser. And to prove that you watched this amazing video, go ahead and go to this link. You will have to type that one in to say that you've watched and completed the video. Thanks, everyone, and have a wonderful school year.